When observed, if there are no bearing changes for a ship, then the risk of collision exists. If the bearing changes for a ship at an appreciable range, then the risk factor is less. However, it has to be remembered that the change of bearing has to be appreciably large. This appreciably large bearing change may not hold true for the following situations. First case. In observations of very large vessels which subtend a significant angle at the observer, the bearing may change. Second case. When observing vessel at a very close range, and the bearing may change. Third case. When approaching vessels engaged in tow, the entire tow and the towed unit represents a very large object, and the bearing may change. Remember always that when obtaining bearing, a fixed point on the target shall be focused on, and the same point shall be used for every bearing.